Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my active webinar review. I'm here inside the cloud-based software, and today I'm going to give you a full overview. I'm also going to show you what the prices in upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom-made bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of Active Webinar. Now, in a nutshell, Active Webinar is a software that you can host all your webinars. You can host affiliates to drive traffic to your webinars, and you can view all sorts of stats and all that good stuff. Basically, it's a webinar software. Most webinar softwares charge you monthly fee or a monthly subscription to run your webinars, but what's cool about Active Webinar is it's a one-time payment. You don't have to pay monthly. It's a one-time payment, and it's reasonably priced. It's not overpriced. It's really reasonably priced. You can pick this up for literally less than $20. If that interests you in any way, please stick with me during this review video as I'm going to break down everything for you. If you want to pick up Active Webinar anytime during watching this review video, just click the link down below in the description, come through to my bonus page, scroll down and click on one of these green buttons. It will take you straight through the sales page where you can pick up your copy of Active Webinar. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and so will this page. I don't want you to miss out on my bonuses. These are exclusive made by me, and they are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. If you'd like to pick up, like I said, if you like to pick up Active Webinar and get all my bonuses for free, come through to my bonus page and click on one of these green buttons, and you'll be eligible to pick up all my bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly once you pick up Active Webinar. My first bonus is going to be access to Aurora Pro and Stealth Advanced. Aurora is basically a webinar software. You can host your webinars inside of Aurora, but you're not going to get statistics and you're not going to get the affiliates feature. You cannot add affiliates inside of Aurora. Why am I giving you Aurora? Because it has its own built-in traffic system. You can add your Pinterest accounts and your Instagram accounts. It will go ahead and follow people in the specific niche that you choose. So it's gonna go ahead and follow people, and once you follow people, people are gonna click on your profile link, and inside your profile link you will have the link to your webinar. They're gonna click on it and hopefully register. So it's gonna drive unlimited targeted traffic from Pinterest and Instagram. Why am I giving you the pro version? Because in the pro version you can add unlimited accounts. You can basically add 100 Pinterest account and 100 Instagram account, and you can drive unlimited traffic. You can go crazy with it. Basically you can drive from 100 up to 500 highly targeted visitors to your webinar if you just add 5 Pinterest accounts and 5 Instagram accounts. It will drive anywhere from 100 up to 500 visitors per day to your webinar. As for Stealth, it's an advanced training. It's a Gmail ads training. You can run Gmail ads for literally pennies. You're gonna learn on how to do that inside of Stealth. I'm giving you access to these two as my first bonus. These two are currently selling for $97 each. I'm giving you access to both of these free of charge and instantly delivered to you as my first bonus. My second bonus is going to be access to Urgency Suites Pro. Now, Urgency Suites Pro is going to enable you to add these scarcity bars. You can add these scarcity bars to your emails. So once you email your audience, you're going to add these scarcity bars inside these emails, and they will boost your conversions 6 times even more. So if you are getting 30 up to 50 visitors per email you send, you're going to be able to get anywhere from 180 up to 200 visitors just by adding these scarcity bars to your emails. You can also add these countdown timers right here. you can add them inside. You can customize this countdown timer and add it to your emails. This tool is currently selling for $97. I'm giving you access for free. As I said, all you have to do is pick up the front end version and you'll be able to access all my bonuses alone. All my bonuses, like I said, free of charge. My third bonus is going to be a hack on how to promote high ticket offers using ActiveWebinar. Basically, I'm going to give you the best high ticket offers that convert up to 17%. It has a 17% conversion rate, and you're going to get insane results by promoting these high ticket offers. The fourth bonus is going to be access to the 5 best high quality hidden traffic sources. These are hidden traffic sources. Nobody's gonna tell you about these if you are newbie. I have uncovered these as my fourth bonus. My fifth bonus is gonna be a tutorial on how to structure your webinars. If you want to record your webinars and run your own webinars, promote your own courses, I'm gonna show you on how to structure your webinars to get anywhere from 12% up to 17% conversion rate. This is really good for you if you want to promote your own products and make 100% commissions, because if you are promoting other people's products, you're gonna get up to 50% commissions. If you sell a high ticket course or promote a high ticket course via a webinar, let's say this high ticket course is selling for $2,000, you're gonna get $1,000 commission if you are getting 50%. But if you make your own webinars and promote your own high ticket course, you're gonna be able to bank 100% commissions, and it's gonna save you so much money. You're gonna be able to pocket up to $1,000 per sale, which is insane. The sixth bonus is going to be special access to all the vendors' bonuses. Now, I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are going to be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these extra bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly once you pick up the front-end version of ActiveWebinar. Now, once you pick it up, all you have to do is go to your Warrior Plus dashboard and hover over your username. Click on purchase history, then go and click on ActiveWebinar. You're gonna see something like this. Let me just show you. Excuse the noise in the background. You're gonna see something like this. Once you click on ActiveWebinar, just click on access affiliate bonuses and you're gonna be able to access all these bonuses free of charge and delivered to you instantly. Now let's check the sales page before we go inside the members area. Discover how a camera shy non-English speaker used this brand new simulated live webinar technology to bank $21,950.45 in 5 days without creating a product, and how you can do the same. We have the sales page video. And if we scroll down, we have some bullet points, a cloud-based software that newbie friendly and easy to use. You can check these out at your own time. Never released simulated webinar technology with active smart live chat streaming. You can live chat while you're streaming. Here we have some payment proof. Of course, they're gonna include some payment proof right here, here, and all this good stuff. We have some more info about the product. We have the vendors. They're giving you an introduction. They're giving you some benefits, and they're giving you some bullet points again, and all that good stuff. You can check out the sales page at your own time. Now, I'm not gonna go through the whole thing. Now, let's jump right to the members area. Once you pick up your copy, you're gonna be able to access the dashboard right here. You're gonna receive your access credentials via email. Once you log in, this is gonna be the dashboard right here. You can go to the video tutorials first. Let me just open this up. Just check out the video tutorials first to learn how to set up everything in place. the account walkthrough, we have the active webinar settings, uploading your presentation, creating email templates, customizing your webinar, creating a webinar that plays instantly, creating and inserting automated messages, video, creating SendGrid account, and creating a Twilio account, and all this technical stuff. You must watch these videos first before you hop in right here. Then what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to go to webinars and add a webinar. Inside this, this is a demo trial video, or a demo. This is a demo account. Basically, I can't do anything inside this account. They have limited this account. I don't know why. But basically, once you click on webinar and add a webinar, you're going to be able to add your webinars. Here we have the message help center. You can add these messages, and these messages will show up depending on the timing. Right here you can choose a timing and it will show up on this exact time in the live webinar. You can also check out the attendees right here, all the info. We have the webinar title, the email address of the attendee, webinar code, full name, and the affiliate they came from, the affiliate that referred them. Of course, you're gonna have a quota right here. It's gonna be limited for the front end version. I'm gonna talk about the price in the upsells in a second. We also have the affiliate section. You can add the affiliate, you can generate their affiliate links and all that good stuff. As you can see, this webinar software is really easy to use. We have the media section. You can add the video, and then you're going to be able to live stream it as a webinar. Let's talk a bit about the prices in the upsell. All you just saw for the front end version is going to cost you either $19 or $29, whether you want the basic suite or the profit suite. Once you visit the sales page, you will see all the differences between the basic suite and the profit suite. Of course, the profit suite is gonna have a lot more features than the basic suite. So I recommend you go with the profit suite if you want more features. If you want the basic features, you can go with the basic suite. Of course, basically, if you pick up the basic suite or the profit suite, you're still gonna get access to all my bonuses for free. The first upsell is gonna be Active Webinar Deluxe Suite. Excuse the noise in the background. Again, I'm not responsible for that. I'm just trying to do a review here. Upsell number one is going to be Active Deluxe Suite. It's going to be for $67. You're going to get access to unlimited live chat simulated messages, Google Analytics, and Facebook Pixel for retargeting. This is the most important feature, because you're going to be able to retarget all that traffic that came to your webinar, and using retargeting you're going to get much better results, because these people are already watching your webinar or have already watched your webinar, so they have a bit of an idea about what you are promoting, and they are hesitating about it, but you're gonna keep reminding them by showing them Facebook ads, and by using the Facebook Pixel for retargeting method, you're gonna get so many more sales, or so much sales. I don't know how to say this in English. English is not my first language. You're gonna get more sales or better conversion rate using Facebook Pixel. So I think this is a no-brainer. Plus you get access to all these extra features: full commercial license to ActiveWebinar, 10 extra done for you webinars, registration and thank you pages templates, 10 extra done for you webinar campaigns, 10 extra done for you webinar affiliate offers, get paid high ticket commissions without your own product. The upsell number two is going to be Active Webinar Mini Affiliate System. It's going to be $37. You're going to be able to create your own affiliate system. I don't recommend you pick this. You don't need this unless you have dealt or you have promoted products before, or you have launched products. So you have your JVs. If you don't have any JVs, if you don't have any affiliates, I don't recommend to pick up the second upsell. The third upsell is gonna be access to active webinar done for you club for $47. This is a no-brainer because each and every month for the next year you're gonna be able to access done for you video files and pre-recorded webinar presentations each and every month. They're gonna send you active webinars each and every month. They're gonna be sending you pre-written done for you email sequences, and you're gonna be able to pick up your affiliate link and get 50% commissions on these webinars. This is a no-brainer because they can easily sell this for $97 per month, but they're gonna give you access to this for $47 for a one-time payment. I definitely recommend you pick this up for $47. The fourth upsell is gonna be access to active webinar agency license for $67. This is a one-time purchase, and you're gonna get a admin panel, and you're gonna get to create and manage active webinar campaigns for clients and all that good stuff. You can read the features right here inside my bonus page. The fifth upsell is gonna be $197, which is gonna be the reseller license. You're gonna get 100% commissions on the whole funnel. You're gonna have to pay $197. Like I said, if you want to promote this product as your own and bank 100% commission throughout the whole funnel, you're gonna have to pay $197. There is a down sale for that, but you're gonna get 75% commission only for $97. This is a good deal if you know how to promote products, if you have an email list or whatever way you want to promote it. This is a really good deal. For $97, you're gonna get 75% commissions, and for $197 you're gonna get 100% commission. I would go for the 100% commission, but as I said, most people or most newbies don't have $200 to invest. So basically, if you have the money, go for the $97. You're still gonna get a huge commission, which is 75% commission on the whole funnel. So this was my review. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments, and I'll answer you as soon as I see your comment. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.